Typeform versus Jotform, which one is better? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a review comparison between Typeform and Jotform. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And now, the first thing that we're going to review is this platform called Jotform. So just open your browser and kindly go to jotform.com and you will be directed on this page. And if you haven't signed up for Jotform yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Jotform, it is a popular online form building platform that allows users to create forms for various purposes without needing to write any code. And also, it offers a user-friendly interface where individuals and businesses can easily design forms for surveys, registrations, applications, contact forms, and many more. And aside from that, on this platform, users can customize their forms using a drag-and-drop interface, adding various form fields such as text fields, multiple-choice question, file uploads, and electronic signatures. So that is the overview of this Jotform. While on the other hand is this platform called Typeform. And if you haven't signed up for Typeform yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. And now, to know this platform, Typeform is an online platform also that allows users to create interactive and engaging forms, surveys, quizzes, and other data collection tools, in which it stands out for its modern and user-friendly interface that aims to create conversational experiences for respondents, in which unlike traditional form building tools, Typeform offers a sleek and dynamic design that presents questions one at a time, making the process more interactive and engaging for respondents. So basically, Jotform and Typeform are both online form builders that allows users to create customized forms for various purposes. However, despite of their similarities, they also have a unique characteristic or features that they offer, such as in terms of features and customization. For example, the templates that they provide. By clicking these form templates right here, it will show you below here some of the available templates that you can choose and start customizing. However, you will see here that all of this design of the templates that are available has only simple and minimalist design. However, Jotform offers over 10,000 form templates in various categories, including for order, registration, payments, applications, survey, booking, and many more. While on the other hand, Typeform also offers a variety of templates that you could also choose by simply clicking these form templates right here. It will show you below some of the available templates that you can use and start customizing and creating your own form. And Typeform offers over 600 templates for different types of forms. And in terms of design, the Typeform template offers, as you can see, there's a variety of design that you can choose of the templates, since Typeform focuses on giving forms a better look and feel with an emphasis on design and user experiences. So as you can see, all of this design are very aesthetically pleasing to the eye, while Jotform offers a simple and minimalist design. And now, aside from features and customization, both platforms also differs in terms of payment gateway integration, since as you can see here, Jotform offers integration with over 30 trusted payment gateways including PayPal, Square, Stripe, Authorize.net, and many more. And also, it does not charge any commissions and transaction fees that are based on the chosen payment service. And also, it offers a wide range of payment form types including subscription forms, donation forms, and order forms. While on the other hand, under the Typeform, it also offers a robust payment gateway integration. However, unlike Jotform, which provide a wide range of payment gateway options, Typeform on the other hand focuses on seamless integration with the Stripe payment gateway for a visually appealing payment experience. And aside from payment gateway integration, both platforms also differs in terms of form structure. But both Jotform and Typeform offer a variety of form structures to create customized forms. However, Jotform structure offers a drag-and-drop interface for creating forms. And from this dashboard, if you click Create Form button right here, it will show you that you have the option to create using template, import form, create a signable document, and even to start from scratch. While on the other hand, the Typeform also offers a drag-and-drop interface for creating forms, but it focuses on providing visually appealing and user-friendly forms with an emphasis on design and user experience. And to create new form, just click this button and it will show you some of the options to start creating your form, such as start from scratch, import question, and with the help of AI. So basically, the difference between the two is that Jotform offers more advanced features and customization option, while Typeform focuses on providing visually appealing and user-friendly forms with an emphasis on design and user experience. And aside from that, they also differ in terms of number of submissions and integration using their free plan. But both of them offer integration in their free plans, but there are some differences in the details, such as under the Jotform, the only difference is the limitations on the usage, which will vary depending on the plan that the user chosen. However, Jotform's free plan offers 100 submissions per month and over 150 integrations, while on the other hand, under the Typeform, their free plan offers 10 submissions per month and around 40 integrations including Zapier. And if you want to access certain integrations, such as those not included in the free plan, you need to upgrade to paid plan in order to access those integrations. So basically, both Jotform and Typeform offer integrations in their free plans, but Jotform provides more flexibility and wider range of integrations, including CRM integration, in its free plan compared to Typeform. And aside from that, they also differ in terms of PDF and data analysis, in which Jotform offers features such as export to PDF, conditional logic, calculation, and multiple outcomes. And Jotform provides a wide range of templates, drag-and-drop interface, and customization options to create visually appealing and branded PDFs. While Typeform also offers a feature to output form data to a PDF, but it does not provide a built-in PDF editor like Jotform. But users can also export individual responses as PDF reports. So basically, Jotform provides a more comprehensive set of tools including a built-in PDF editor, customization options, and integration with various data analysis tools. While for the pricing option that both platforms provides, such as this Jotform that offers bronze, silver, and gold plan, and below are the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. And as you can see below here, the cheapest plan that they offer amounting to $19.50 per month, since they currently offer a 50% discount on all plans. While on the other hand, under the Typeform, some of the pricing options that they offer, including the business plan, plus, basic, and free plan. And below, you will see the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. And as you can see, the cheapest upgrade plan that they offer is this basic plan amounting to $25 per month. And now that we know the similarities and differences of these two platforms, I would say that both Jotform and Typeform are popular online form builders, and the choice between them depends on your specific needs and preferences. However, Jotform offers a more powerful and versatile form builder with a larger number of templates, advanced features, and integrations. On the other hand, Typeform focuses on providing visually appealing and user-friendly forms with an emphasis on design and user experience. So that is just a comparison review between Typeform and Jotform. Thank you.